do the echo.
Oh, there you go. Fish on.
Yep. Why's my drag so loose? Damn. I can't tell if he's a good one or not.
That's all right. The only bad thing when you're pulling boards, you never know.
Well, my board's attached, so.
Oh, did it? It usually goes down to the.
Nope, it attached. I can't tell if he's big or not. I mean, he's fluttering around. I don't think he's very big.
Hey, it's a fish.
Yeah, he's there on top of the water. He's not very big. But a fish is a fish.
Was that one on the bottom, or were you suspending that one?
That was on the bottom with the planer about 30 feet out to the left. I can't tell if it's a blue or channel yet.
It looks like a blue.
It looks like I thought it was a channel. It is a...
That's a channel.
Yep, it's a channel. Well,
settle down, buddy.
I can tell you one thing, I haven't beat my over 5 pounds yet. Unfortunately. So I'm still stuck. I'm still stuck at under 5 pounds for the year, which is horrible. No, under 10. I'm sorry. I think the biggest I got was 6.
So I thought you last time we went out, you got one that was at least 8 pounds.
Yeah,
on
it was like 6 or 7. So yeah, but still, I ain't over that 10 mark yet. Ain't bad. We only fished for
13 minutes on the clock here.
So and I put him in about 5 minutes before that.
Yeah.
So about 20 minutes.
That's not bad. That's not bad catch rate.
Nope, I'll take it.
Hey guys, Dan here. We're back on the pontoon boat with Ed. He wanted me to come out with him this evening. As you see, we just got us our first fish here, so we're sitting here dragging. Nice stretch here. We're using shad pieces. Of course, I got one shad piece and chicken breast. See how we do here tonight. That first one was on the bottom, about 30 foot. Yeah, right now it looks like we're dragging about 15 foot of water, 14 and a half. And it was on the bottom. Most of my stuff is suspended, probably about 10 foot. So, if anything, just hang out with us. We'll see if we can catch some more fish. We'll see you back in a second.
If I do kill the says the onboard starting accessory battery, I just full start it.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh, it broke your. Did it break your line? Damn! Did he come off?
It must have. I ain't got nothing on it.
Fuck. You're going to have to bleep that out because you need to keep. You need to keep that on. You need to keep that head on there.
He just came up. That was on chicken.
That was 10.
17. Oh, here we go.
Oh, yep. Fish on.
Yeah. Oh, that's the decent one too. Suspended on chicken.
Oh my God! Here we go with the chicken.
He's not no giant though, but he's a decent one.
You need a net for that one, or
maybe I'll pull him up.
Well, I can probably shut this off now. Just let tweak the batteries up a little bit. Well, hey, and that's funny. It's on the outer planer board, just like the other one.
Yep, away from the boat.
I might have to run another planer on the. Well, you got me beat. That's a blue, ain't it?
Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, it's straight. Not a bad one. What do you say, 6?
Let me see.
Maybe 3, 4.
It's maybe
5.
Maybe 4 or 5.
Yeah. Not too bad.
No, I don't need no fish kisses.
Get it back up.
I might have to run a planer on this one. Oh shit! There you go. That's a big hit there. Still got him?
Yep, he's on there.
All right. That was a nice little kapow. Is he a giant or?
I think he's alright. I don't think he's a giant. Just want to make sure this damn fingerboard's not going to get caught.
Oh, do I need to. Where's he at on the other one?
Here, if you can roll this one in.
Oh, you're already around it. Hear me? You need to go back this way.
Got it?
Yep. I can't see where I'm at though.
You're coming in. I'm behind you.
Okay. And your fucking reel's about to fall off. Holy shit.
Probably after that one got slammed at one time, I didn't notice it.
Yep, your reel's loose and crap.
About the same size as the last one. Maybe a little bit bigger.
There we go.
Tell you, man, that chicken's hitting.
Yeah, through your chicken.
Come on now, settle down. Come on, get in here. Settle. Oh, this was a lot bigger than the last one.
This is a little hard operating this hand light because the bugs are just pulverizing me.
That's not a bad one there.
And that one's probably about 6 or 7.
Tony, man, get on that chicken.
Yeah, whatever. You and your chicken.
Get him back and catch another.
All right.
All right, that was fun. Make sure my hook's not.
No, I got one on.
Oh, you do? Oh yeah, you got it on your planer board. Here, I'll set mine down and get you.
Still got him? Yep.
All right.
Nope. I think he come off.
Really?
Yeah. I can't tell. Is that GoPro recording?
Yeah, red light's on.
I can't tell if he's on there or not. I don't think he is. Or he's swimming right at me. Nope, he's on there. Yep, he's on there. He ended up swimming right at me.
Is that the bottom one or the suspended one?
This, it was my bottom planer board. He's pulling a little bit now. I don't think he's very big. Nope, another dink. The heck, are the small ones biting tonight? Here, you'll have to turn this on to get some background light.
Where's the
button's right along the side there.
outside?
Black button. Oh, 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 oh. He's about to go in.
All right, come on. Where's? Sorry.
It's right here on the tops.
Oh.
Just hold it out away from you because the bugs will freaking pulverize you.
Yeah, it's all right.
This is another channel. Another dink. Or actually, wait, is that a channel or? That's a channel. This.
It's not bad. Hey, as long as we're catching fish, that's a big thing for me.
Well, yeah, but still, I mean, I get the channels, you get the blues. I guess that's how that's gonna work.
I'm not going to say anything on that one. Maybe they like the channels like the shad and the blues like the chicken.
It don't help getting pulverized by bugs.
No.
Come out here and stand and just get smacked in the face by 10 billion bugs.
Hopefully it'll die down here shortly.
Yeah.
Oh, there it went again. There's another one.
That's a fish there.
Yeah, there you go. Where's your headlight?
Got him. It's on the bench there.
No, that's not it. There it is. Oh.
Find it?
Yep, got it. You good? You gonna need a net or you?
Nah. This feels like another small one. We must be in the dinghy section. Wow. Well, the temps are different from the front of the boat to back here.
Yeah.
So it's pulling a little heavier.
This is still the bottom drag
This
on the planer?
Yeah, bottom drag planer. Well, this one might be a little bit nicer fish. Thing's just swimming towards me. No, it's still a smaller one. Oh.
Is that another channel?
I don't know, my planer board wrapped up. That's how I was dragging my planer board sideways. Is the reason I felt like I was dragging so heavy.
No, that one's a blue. Isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a blue. Oh wow, I actually got a blue tonight. You know what? They're smaller ones, but I'm catching fish, so I'm not going to complain.
Yeah.
Not going to complain. Or no, that's a channel. Yep, that's a channel. See all the pepper flakes in it?
Yeah, well, I was looking at the anal flint. I thought it was a little bit flatter.
Well, that looks like a damn channel to me.
Okay.
That could be the light, but I see all the... Oh!
Huh.
Another fish on.
Well, we can't do that too often.
I just happened to look. My rod was going down. This one's on bottom. This will be the first one not on planers. Well, I'm going to take it that hit didn't get my bait.
No, it'd be funny if he was just on there the whole time and just now decided he wanted to go somewhere.
Oh, he come off.
Did he really?
Yep. He wasn't very big though. Yep, he come off.
Oh, that stinks.
Yep.
Well, guess what? They ain't got no bait on it now.
Nope, definitely ain't got no bait. That could have been a head, I'm not sure.
There you go, middle one.
Nope. Got it.
All right.
Or did he get off? Yeah, I think he come off.
Or is he swimming toward you?
No, he come off. You. Damn it.
Oh, there it goes again. I think that's a fish.
Yep, that's a fish. That's definitely a fish. Oh yeah, that's a fish. Yep, that one's definitely a fish. And I think he's hooked up in the other line too.
It doesn't look like it's moving.
Yeah, it might not be. Why's that planer board riding up though? Oh, it's caught on that string there.
Go down to the fish, buddy.
Yeah. This one feels a little bit more stout, but I can't tell. Yep, it's.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, he is wrapped.
Snagged
There it goes.
in
There it goes now.
Yep. Oh, that's why it's so heavy. Well, I better stop dragging before I make a big mess out of this. Yeah, it's just another ding. See if I can't get it out of here without making it. Oh yeah.
I haven't got a really good look at him, but it looks like that's the best one for you tonight.
Okay, that line's still around the other part. Yeah, he's up in there. Yeah, this is definitely a bigger one.
Settle down, buddy.
Biggest thing is getting these. Oh shit, he's got that all wrapped up. Well, I guess the first thing I need to do is get him undone. Come on. There we go.
That's a solid fish.
That's a nice blue. That's a solid 6, 7 pounds.
Hey, I'd take that fish any day.
Yeah, they're just not very big tonight, but that's all right.
Still young.
Yep, I'll take them. Now I gotta get this mess cleaned up. That one can clean out that way. That can stay there. This might feel like it has anything on it.
He got hung up at one.
Oh!
Which one?
You're right one. Oh, this one's got the head on it. Oh shit, you're in the other line too. Come over. No, I don't know. You need to go under it, mate. I don't know.
All right. Well,
Let me get the spotlight.
yeah, you're fine.
What'd you do with it? Back on the floor?
Yep, right where it was. Yep, that's
There.
right. Oh, thank you.
Okay, that planer board's good. That one's out. Alright, while you're doing that, let me get this headlamp. Alright. Got Danny here that's hooked up.
Doesn't feel like he's.
Did it come off?
It doesn't. No, it doesn't feel like he's off. It's just he's not very.
I just unclip your thing and let it slide down the board. Yeah, I just do a quick flip of your thing.
Yeah, he's not very big.
Dink.
Yeah, it's fish.
Yep, fish is a fish.
Nice little one.
Yeah, alright. Is that a blue? Kind of looks like it.
Yeah, straight.
Yeah.
See how the anal fin's straight? Yeah, should be. Let's go get bigger, buddy.
Alrighty.
Chicken fish.
Yeah. Alright, Mr. Chicken Fish.
Yeah, your finder's low.
Yeah, because I hit that with the low battery voltage.
I just didn't have to realize you did it.
Shit.
Oh, that middle one go off?
That's a fucking hit. And he's going sideways across all the damn rods. Get in the other one, didn't he? Oh, he's in it.
Yeah. Here, lower it down and I'll put this one over since that one.
Oh, come out of the nope, he did. I'm still in it. But I might be able to lift this up, get him out. Oh no, he wrapped up burnt. Oh, I can get it out. Maybe. Don't spin in the line, damn it. Well, you stay down in there for a second, man. You got my headlamp.
Yeah, it's right here on my head. I guess that's one kind of way to use a live well.
Yeah. What is it with these fish tangled up in all of our stuff tonight?
Well, since we recently just got the 3-rod roll, they want to show us how big of a mistake that was.
Something. Where am I at here?
Looks like you about got it out.
About, but oh, this is going to be fun. Trying to handle this damn thing in live water.
He's being calm for you.
Yeah. For now. There. Well, how's that one?
That's pretty good.
Another blue. We can't seem to get out of the 5-pound range. Oh, this rag means de-slimed.
Well, that's a good thing, though. That means we're catching fish.
All right.
All right, we're cutting it loose here. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. We did pretty good today. I think, what, about 8 fish, you think, 8, Ed?
Yeah, and then at least a couple big ones missed.
Yeah, so
we missed
nice hits and everything. So we're going to cut it loose today, but for you guys that have stayed here the whole time for it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and everything like that, so you know when we're having more content coming out there. And you know what, Ed? Guess what we got going on right now?
What?
Bonus fish. See you guys next time.
That's what makes it worth watching.
Oh.
There you go.
There we go.
First one.
Suspended, man, I'm telling you.
What was that?
That's this should be on the chicken. Shad's the only on the far end.
Oh, chicken or new chicken?
This should be the new. Grab it. This one is, yeah. Yeah, I'll work him around this side. Oh, quit flopping.
I feel like my balloon's getting smaller.
Hey, first one of the night. I guess we can only go up, right?
Right. Pretty fish though.
Oh yeah,
Color
they're.
in there.
Oh, that's pretty. Colors are beautiful. All right, go get bigger, buddy.
Good eater size.
That's one.